If you are finding that the lashes are coming away from the rod during step 1 and step 2, then we have a solution. We have just released our lash lift lockers. These little beauties will help to hold the lashes in place during the duration of both step 1 and step 2. Let me demonstrate. Once you have wrapped those lashes into place, you can then apply your step 1 lotion. Then we will secure an orange lash lift locker over the base of the natural lash. As you can see, you can easily remove it close to the end of your chosen processing time to perform a lash control check and then pop it back in place for the duration of the treatment. Once you remove step 1, you can re-secure those lashes back into place before applying your lotion step 2. Now, once step 2 is applied, you will pop your clear lash lift locker over the base of the natural lash, allowing you more visibility to ensure that each lash is still wrapped perfectly. You can then remove all of the lotion to see your beautiful lash lift result.